We are off to Naxos today. Patty's not been to Naxos. Hello. Oh, our bus is here to get on our plane. Peace out. Alright, landing in Naxos. The flight was about 25 minutes, so we should be on the ground about 4 minutes. Flying over the Aegean to Naxos always feels like coming home. The island with its quiet charm and endless blue is where my Greek family and I find moments to reconnect, laugh, and make memories we carry. It is July 1st, 2024, and we are at the Plaka Beach Resort and Spa, or resort, hotel and spa. Still, we're sitting out here having a glass of wine. The sun's going down. The weather's pretty perfect at this very moment. And let me show you what's in front. We're going into town on the bus. Yeah. All right, we're taking the bus into town to Naxos town. You can get on this bus for €2. Buy it at the little convenience store right by the bus stop in Aegean, but I think almost every one of the convenience stores up and down the road you can buy your bus tickets for. So we got one way, €2 each. Yeah. Way cheaper than taxi. We took a taxi the other night and it was $20 each way. Yeah. So the bus, and it's a nice bus. It's air conditioned, right? It's nice, comfortable. There's the ferry coming in right there. It's a big fast ferry. Sea Jets. Thing looks space age, doesn't it? Okay, we're in Naxos town now. This is where you want to get your money out of ATM and not in any place. You want to go to an actual bank. This is Naxos, Cora town. And they have our ATM machine right here that will not rip you off. We are climbing up to the Portara, the Great Door, unfinished temple dedicated to the god Apollo, right? Unfinished Great Door dedicated to the god Apollo. Now that cat looks like Sammy. See how Sammy is? Hi. Kitty cat. You look like Sammy. So we stopped at a little cafe. Averton, A-V-A-T-O-N cafe, and it's up high at the castle in Naxos. And pretty. There's your alpha, but it looks like it's on tap. And Patty is getting her favorite alpha beer. Patty highly recommends the alpha beer. Lovely people from I'm going into the sea cave. This is the Rena Sea Cave. We are on an all-day boat excursion in the Aegean from the island of Naxos with cousins and cousins' friends and cousins' family. It's amazing. Oh my God, we're way back.
Oh yeah, I know. That's why I went back and got my goddess. Like, this goes so far back.
Wow.
Hello to the camera.
You're on camera. Look at those stairs. We had souvlaki and salad, and it was interesting. Their Greek salad had potatoes in it. Found that interesting. But Naxos is known for their potatoes and their lamb and their citron alcohol that comes from a tree, a citrus tree, that they use the leaves for the alcohol.
Hey Peter, just tow her.
Tow her. All right. Tow her. This is our what, fourth or fifth stop for the night or day? Fourth. Water. Naxos has this timeless beauty, a mix of rugged hills and soft beaches, stone pathways, and olive groves. Experiencing it with my family adds a layer of joy. We explored, shared meals, and wandered through the little streets that hold stories of generations before us. We are eating on the beach at Nikos, and I just had the Noxian saganaki. Patty had the feta saganaki. That one has honey, sesame seeds. Mine has lemon. It's not sweet. Both really, really good. But you gotta get, if you order the saganaki, order it first and eat it while it's hot. We learned that. I'm trying to learn that the hard way. But check out our view. Oh my God, we eat a lot when we're here. But you can't help it. The food is so good.
Let's drift away from this world of madness. Take a little time to enjoy the silence. Feel the wind as it touches your lips. Feel the sun as you go.
Because we're on the bus back to Naxos town, and it's super crowded, and we had to stand. So if you go to town at dinner time and later, I'm thinking you're going to be really crowded. We just stood up for most of the bus ride, and we just were able to sit down for like the last 2 minutes now.
Yeah. That's how they make
Okay, we are on this tour, an all-day thing, and we just had lunch, and we had visiting the mountain village of, I'll put it on the screen, the name of it. Burritos, something like that. I've been told that some of the people that live in these mountain villages have never even gone to Naxos town. Like, they've never left the village. Super interesting. It's very mountainous. We're in a huge boat. We're in a huge bus. And we're riding on the edge of the world right now. So we're walking up this from down there. Up. Look at the sidewalk. If you can't walk well, don't do this one. Going to the Temple of Demetria, the goddess of agriculture. up. I just bought a couple things. I can show you what I bought. But they just demonstrated how they do this pottery. We are in a very small mountain village in Naxos. The residents, there's only 18 residents in this entire village. So our driver said we just doubled their population by stopping by.
This is where still most of the olive oil production is coming from. They have about 7,000 olive trees, and most of the trees are hundreds of years old. Now, to help with the process, they would also boil some water and they would pour it on the turaba to help make it more liquid. This is the distillery behind me, yes. So behind me is the distillery.
Oh yeah, that'd be great. He said, I like you. Look at this line behind me. This restaurant. We're videoing.
Oh, it's video.
Yes. Hi. But at least we got complimentary wine. Oh, yeah, and our new friend who's going to get us a table for 10. Soon.
Welcome to Naxos. We're gonna do our best for our models. Our best. Our very best. For our Greek models. Yeah?
Model. What's happening? Is it your birthday? It's your birthday. Your turn next. Birthday girl. Our last night in Naxos was unforgettable. We gathered at Yanula's Taverna, a place that shares my grandmother's name, and for a moment, it felt like she was there with us. Our grandmother's name. I was there with my cousins. The food, the laughter, the warmth of family, it was everything I love about Greece. Also, it was the 4th of July, but here in Naxos, we celebrated my cousin Eleni's birthday. It's a special feeling celebrating in Greece, where every gathering becomes a celebration of family. Under the Naxos night sky, it didn't matter where we were from, only that we were together. Leaving Naxos is always bittersweet. These days with family in a place that feels like a second home remind me of why I keep coming back. Greece isn't just a destination, it's a part of me. And with each goodbye, I know it's never really goodbye, just until next time. And remember, my friends, life is an adventure, even beyond the empty nest.